Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. We've had a couple of prezzies arrive and these are from James, Alisha and Shania. Good old JC Bricks and Builds. So many thanks for them for thinking of me. So let's have a quick looky-loo at what we've got. I've dropped my address off, so we'll go for the smaller package first and get this done. It says, a gift, lots of love, James, Alisha and Shania. Merry Christmas. Hope you have a lovely new year. May 2025 be a great one. Lots of love, James, Alisha and Shania. So big hugs. And he's got me the Citadel medium texture tool. Now I've got a lot of the texture paints, you know, the different lava effects and things like that, and I've also got a hell of a lot of basing to do, and these are perfect for that. So this is the medium one, which is going to be the one I tend to use most, and then you've got a nice wide spudger there to put on your texture, and then you can go back at it and then do your little furrows. I've got like lava effects I want to do and different things like that. So these are going to come in really handy to achieve that result. So good old James there and Alisha for thinking of good old Festa. That will be put to very good use, young James. You know it will. So keep an eye out for the upcoming projects. We've also got a box that's arrived. So I've gone and popped my address off and quickly sliced it open, and we'll have a lookykins at what we've got in here, folks, shall we? Oh my god, been on my what's his name, my Amazon list, and he's look at this, folks. This is the ICM G7107 World War II army truck, and yeah, we're gonna have fun with this because I've put these on my list for a reason, folks, and I like the look of them, but also what I can potentially do with these builds going forward. So you've got, like you say, the army truck shape, but I'm looking at doing, you know, apocalyptic trucks where these have been found in the wastelands and have been purposed and repurposed for nomadic travellers going around the wastelands doing their things, searching for stuff. So I'm looking at adding like living accommodation, but bric-a-brac and things, you know, and perhaps have this one as a trades one where, you know, the guy's selling old tin pots and stuff, you know, trying to survive in the wastelands. So that's what I'm thinking of doing with them. So let's just have a quick looky-loo at the kit itself. And you can't go wrong. I mean, this is absolutely going to be perfect for what I want. It's absolutely going to be perfect for what I want. Going to go together really easy, as you can see. So I'm looking forward to doing that. But you've got your different options of decals and things, but this is going to be perfect for me because I can then replicate the rest of these slats and come over the roof and perhaps have pillars coming up and have some kind of sleeping quarters and things going on. So as a base, this is why I've got my eye on these type of trucks, and this will just be its own little build on its own little dio. So that's what I'm going for. It's 35th scale. So massive thanks, James, because we are going to have great fun with this. So that is the ICM G7107, folks. Dystopian truck, and I've just spotted in the box another one. Oh my god, again an ICM, and this is the Soviet 6-wheel truck, and again it's got that cabin and assembly there where I can build and add things to it. And again, it's a 6-wheeler, so what more can you say? So let's quickly open this up as well so I can show you all what's in there. But again, massive thanks to James, Alisha and Shania for thinking of me. It really is wonderful that they're thinking of me. Big old set of sprues and everything there, as you can see. Beautifully packaged, but the detail that I'm seeing in there, but already in this picture, as you can see, look at all the muddied up wheels and that. But I'm just looking with these sides here, similar to what I want to do with the other one, is just bringing this up and having some kind of rickety thing there, tarpaulins and things that they can, you know, just sit and live in and travel around in and do their thing. So yeah, like you say, I'm looking at these trucks and seeing different ideas and different builds, and me and Fox are currently playing Stalker 2 on the Xbox, and we're coming across these weird abandoned vehicles and that, and it just gives me ideas. So this is where this is going to come in really handy. Nice tilt cab detail there. But yeah, we can certainly work with this bed area. So these will get built up, primed and base coated. And then we can start getting a bit wild with adding stuff to it. So James, Alisha and Shania, thank you so much for thinking of me. These are absolutely beautiful. And are going to be put to good use because, yeah, they're going to be stunning to build. And hopefully you'll like what I'm doing with them, because I just want to go out there a little bit and try different things. So there you go, folks. What beautiful gifts. You got the Soviet 6-wheel truck. You've got the World War II army truck, and we got a nice texture tool to go with it. So James, Alisha and Shania, thank you so much yet again for thinking of me. I'm wishing you a wonderful Christmas, each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you all in the new year when we should get back to doing all the live stuff and the gooning around. So thanks for reaching out and sending me get well wishes and all of that lot, and your thoughts for me mum. And I look forward to rejoining you all in the new year. So in the meantime, have a great Christmas. When you see James in me chat, go and share the love. Pop over to his YouTube channel, JC Bricks and Builds, and say hello and give him a sub. And yeah, happy days. Until the next one, bye-bye for now. Stay safe and well. Look at tits.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,